So to get started installing WordPress, click on Log into WordPress. And here we'll have the option to either migrate an existing WordPress website or we can start a new one. That's the option I'll go with, so I'll click on Start Setup. Next, HostGator will ask us a few onboarding questions. For my experience with WordPress, I'll just click on Never Used It and Continue Setup. Here you can specify what kind of website you're creating. I'll choose a personal website and click on Continue Setup. It may ask you to specify what kind of website it is. So I'll choose Creative Portfolio and Continue Setup again. Now we'll set up our basic website details. Let's start with the site title at the top. This will be shown to your website visitors and it'll also appear in search engine and social media posts. I'll title my website WordPress Tutorial Website. And then we have our site description. Here, just give a short summary of who you are or what your website is all about. I'll put creating WordPress tutorials. And down below, you also have the option to link your social media. There are some additional options you can go through here for the onboarding, but with the basic info filled out, I'm going to exit the onboarding early. That way we can set up everything else manually. So go to the top left and click on Exit to WordPress and click on Exit again. And then we'll arrive to our main WordPress dashboard. At the top, you'll see that we're currently in the HostGator tab. This section lets you manage things like your hosting settings and resources that are specific to your HostGator plan. For now though, we're going to switch over to the primary WordPress dashboard, which is here on the left-hand side. So let's click into this here. And this is where you'll control everything that actually runs your website. And right now you'll see that there is a lot on the screen. To clean this up, go to the top right and click on Screen Options. And then we'll just go ahead and uncheck everything. And don't worry, you can always turn these screen elements back on later if you do need them. I'll go back to the top right here and close out of the screen options. Now everything is looking nice and clean.